Alkanes, alkenes, and conjugate dienes. Alkanes. Alkanes are the simplest class of organic compounds. They are made up of carbon and hydrogen atom only and contain two types of bond, carbon-hydrogen CH and carbon-carbon CC. Single covalent bond. They do not have functional group. Alkane form a homologous series with a general formula CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon atom in the molecule. The first member of the family has the molecular formula CH4, n is equal to 1, and is commonly known as methane, and the second member with molecular formula C2H6, n is equal to 2, is called ethane. These compounds are also known as saturated hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons have relatively unreactive under ordinary laboratory conditions, but they can be forced to undergo reaction by drastic treatment. It is for this reason that they were named paraffins, Latin word para affins, little activity. Here is two example, methane and ethane. sp3 hybridization of alkanes. According modern orbital theory, carbon has electronic configuration C in ground state 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. In excited state 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. 1, 2s and 3, 2p orbital gives 4 new sp3 orbitals. The 4 new sp3 orbitals are arranged in space in such a way that their axes are directed towards the corner of regular tetrahedron. In the formation of methane molecule, the sp3 orbitals overlap with 1s orbital of 4 hydrogen atom to form 4s sp3 sigma bond. In ethane molecule, sp3 orbitals of one carbon overlap with sp3 orbitals of other carbon. The remaining 3 sp3 orbitals of each of the two carbon overlap with is 1s orbital of hydrogen atom to form s sp3 sigma bond. sp3 hybridization of alkanes. Here is the tetrahedral geometry and the bond angle between two atoms 109.5 degree. Alkenes. Alkenes are hydrocarbons that contain carbon-carbon double bond C double bond C in their molecule. Molecular formula CnH2n, here n is equal to number of carbon atoms. Alkenes are commonly known as olefins. Here is some example: ethene, 1-butene and 2-butene. sp2 hybridization. In ethylene, the carbon atom are sp2 hybridized. They are attached to each other by the sigma bond and the pi bond. The sigma bond represent from overlap of one sp2 hybrid orbitals from one with sp2 hybrid orbitals of another carbon. The pi bond is formed from overlap of unhybridized p orbitals. Remaining sp2 orbitals form sigma bond with hydrogen atom. Method of preparation of alkanes. By hydrogenation of alkenes and alkynes, reduction of alkyl halide, decarboxylation of carboxylic acid, hydrolysis of Grignard reagent, action of sodium on alkyl halide, that is Woods reaction, Corey-House alkane synthesis, then electrolysis of salt of carboxylic acid, that is Kolbe method. Here is free radical halogen reaction in presence of either chloride or bromide only. Three-step reaction. In first step, initiation, that is radical formation, second step propagation, that is continuation, and third stage termination, that is end of reaction. Initiation, that is free radical formation. Chlorine in presence of heat produce Cl radical plus Cl radical. In presence of peroxide effect, RO free radical plus RO free radical. Note, one electron reaction to use half arrow, that is fish hook arrow, and full arrow represent two electron reaction. Propagation, that is continuation, one electron reaction to use half arrow, that is fish hook arrow. Termination, that is end of reaction.